What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Destination Delicious. I'm Spencer.
And I'm Christy.
And as we mentioned last week, we are back in Sedona, and when we told Cade we were coming back here, he had one mission. Last time we were here, his friends went into town in Sedona and found the Snake Man, and Cade was bound and determined to do the same.
And it's really cool because they're in the middle of Sedona and they're educating people about snakes and the non-venomous versus venomous and how you tell, and they had like this little, what do you call it, like a little poem or rhyme. So it was, if red touches yellow, it'll kill a fellow. If red touches black, it's all right, Jack.
So a terrible segue from snakes, but today we are cooking up a tasty breakfast.
We are going to be making breakfast fajitas.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone. All right, for breakfast steak fajitas, we of course have some steak on the menu. We've got red and green bell peppers. We've got some sliced white onion and of course some eggs. And then we're gonna be wrapping all of that goodness up in a flour tortilla. All right, the first thing to go on the griddle is our peppers and onions. So I'm gonna get a little oil down.
Looks like Christmas on the griddle.
Looks like Christmas, smells like heaven. All right, while our peppers and onions, are cooking, about that, I'm going to get our eggs ready. I'm gonna try and get our eggs ready. Yeah, there we go. Got one to work. Put a little bit of milk in here. Also going to season our eggs with some of Blackstone's breakfast blend seasoning. Not going to be shy.
All right, y'all, we get it. Breakfast blend isn't around as much anymore. We are cherishing it.
I'm going to season our steak with a healthy dose of salt and pepper. Make room for the eggs.
Hot sauce.
Eggs are done, steak is done. Veggies are done. Get a quick flip. Remember, that griddle is hot. I am a trained professional, ladies and gentlemen. Use tongues. We're going meat first. I'm gonna go egg next. Then some of our peppers. Let's make sure we get some onion in there. Red pepper. Oh yeah. And to top it all off, from what I understand, you can put it on anything.
If you want a quick, easy, hearty meal, this is it.
And we have no qualms eating breakfast anytime.
Oh yeah,
today.
so fajitas, breakfast fajitas, any
breakfast
fajitas can
for
be
dinner?
breakfast, lunch, dinner, anytime.
Like steak and eggs. You need a little more hot sauce, but it's good.
Yeah, this is perfect.
So make sure you visit blackstoneproducts.com, click subscribe, and ring the bell on the YouTube channel so you don't miss any of the videos from us. But also, there's a bunch of great cooks on that channel too, like
Betty, Bruce, Nate, Todd, CJ, Matt, and us.
But until next time, guys.
Oh wait, one more thing. If you're in Sedona, go check out the Snake Guy.
Yes, check out the Snake Guy. This is Destination Delicious, guys. We will see you down the road.